Send your Apify data to Google Sheets, Gmail, Airtable, Slack, LinkedIn, or 5,000 plus apps using viaSocket without writing a single line of code. Let me show you by an example. Imagine whenever your Apify task status is completed, you want to create entry in the Google Sheet. Let's build this workflow. First, log into viaSocket and click on Create Workflow. Choose Apify as your trigger app. Then select Finish Task Run. This ensures the workflow runs whenever a task is completed. Next, connect your Apify account by pasting your API key from Settings. Click Connect. Now, select the task ID you want to track and set the status to Succeeded. This ensures only completed tasks are captured. Click Test to confirm the data is coming in and save the step. Now click on Add Action. Choose Apify and select Run Task. Now use the connection you have built earlier and choose your task ID. Then test and save it. This allows you to trigger or rerun tasks within the workflow if needed. Next, click on Add Step. Choose Google Sheets and connect your account. Select the spreadsheet where you want to store the data. Now map your data. Map task status to the status column. This ensures every completed task is automatically recorded. Finally, run a test. As you can see, the status is updated in the sheet, confirming that the automation is working perfectly. This is how you can build the automation, and there are thousands of use cases that you can build using Apify and third-party applications. In case you need any help or have any confusion, drop us a mail on support@viasocket.com.